Evening, folks. We're live at 9:12 p.m. I got 10 spots here that I'm going to copy and take over to random to find our top 3 winners for this partial carded 12-back Luke. It's nice. Top 3 win spots in the main. Paste our 10-spot list right here at random. Gonna roll the dice. Got to get at least a 5. We didn't. We got a 3, so we're rolling again. Snake eyes, so we're rolling again. There we go, we got a 10. So we're good for some sweet action. Good luck, guys and gals. Let's get down to it. Christina takes round 1. Dustin 2. Don takes round 3 and 4. Dustin 5. Steve takes 6. Dustin again on top in round 7. David round 8. David round 9. And our winners are David, and Kenneth. Congrats, guys. Here's the verification. We'll make it official. NFA MFR. There it is. David in at the 8 and 2, and Kenneth in at number 1 are our winners. Congrats, guys. I'm done. At 9:13 p.m. There it is. Again, here's the official results. Congrats, guys. See you in the main. Thanks.